Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook stories not loading. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first method you simply need to follow is to open Facebook, and sometimes your story will not load. So you simply need to close the Facebook app and restart the app again by closing that from here and open again, and hopefully your issue will be solved. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to go onto your browser and check your internet speed. So internet speed, so if you have a good internet connection, so you need find any issue in story loading. So as you can see, I have good internet connection speed in my area. Then you simply need to go on to the Chrome browser and search for is Facebook down and open the first website. So wait for a few seconds, and sometime you see a large spike here. It means that there is some issue on the Facebook, and the Facebook team is working on that to fix that. But as you can see, there is no issue. And another method, you simply need to go and open your settings of your smartphone, go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Facebook. Here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. And you also need to open Play Store and update your Facebook application from here by clicking on that button. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.